Bricks, all white bricks, all white bricks, white bricks.
Yo, what's happening, YouTube? Hey, sometimes the colors don't match, but the hues are the same. So let's get into this. Hey, thank you for choosing Blacked Out Kickz videos. If y'all liking the content, please make sure you hit a subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button because that goes further than subscribe. And hey, make sure you hit that notification bell so you stay up to date on everything Blacked Out Kickz. Yo, I just want to talk to y'all and get these shoes off real quick. I don't want to make this a long video because I made a video about these before. Should be up here somewhere. I'll make sure I notate it. I'll make sure I put it in the description of the video. So other than that, you know, I don't want to drag this video out too long. I ain't gonna do no on feet on these because I already got the on feet on these in the cream color way. So we gonna get into these shoes. We just gonna go straight into them. I told y'all, somebody commented last time that they missed the drop. I think it was I forgot the company, but they missed the drop. If I can screenshot the comment, I'll put it up there. But they missed it, and I told them, you know what, I'm gonna get these. And Lord behold, I copped them. I copped them off of Extra Butter. I think that's located in New York. So New York, New Jersey, one of those two. Same thing to me. I ain't never been to neither one, but I know it's two different whatever. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into these. Let's show y'all what shoes I caught. Yeah. Hey, I got another video dropping which is fits. A couple fits. We're gonna play off this color brown, this cacao wow that y'all probably seen my last video. We're gonna play off the different colors of that. And yeah. If y'all really feeling what I got going on and the new stuff I got going on, showing y'all fits and stuff like that, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't been following me, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, man, and hit that notification bell. I'm telling y'all, I was revamping my page, and we going from here on out. We going. Ain't no stopping, ain't no going back. Hey, I told y'all this fall is my season, so we just gonna really rock it out and knock it out. I'm gonna make sure I get as many videos out as possible. Right now, we doing one a week. Just because I think that's more feasible until I can get on a better schedule with dropping videos. Other than that, y'all get these one a week with a bunch of different stuff. If not, I might drop two there, here and there if I feel very excited about a video, if I really want to get a shoe or some clothing out to y'all. So other than that, we got these here that we about to open up. Yeah, let me know what y'all feeling. Let me know what y'all feeling out here. Let me really know what y'all feeling out here. So, bam. And what's crazy is the other box don't even, that's crazy that the box upside down. The other box don't even look like this. That's crazy. The other box of these don't look like this. So, in my last video, I titled Fear God Inspired with these. And y'all know, y'all see the y'all know what these shoes are already because y'all clicked on this video, but I entitled them Fear God Inspired. And it's a reason I did that. If y'all look at these pictures of the new Fear Gods coming out, they have some qualities of Fear God. And if you look at the Fear God and how they structured these, the top of these are all more than likely inspired by that. And I think Jerry Lorenzo, I think it is. I'm not sure. But I think he has something to do with this and inspired. If you look at the lines coming up further than that, they either look like Kanye's or they look like Fear God shoes. I'm just saying that y'all can take it how y'all want it. Hey, it is what it is, but I'm just saying it's a little bit inspired. And inspired don't mean it's the same thing, but the design is inspired by that. So if y'all look at Adidas and y'all go look at some of the stuff that's coming out, they've leaked some stuff here and there. They're all in those two ranges. Adidas is not dropping anything new that you haven't seen before, other than the Yeezys. So, and we've seen those. So if y'all really just stop and go look and do some research, y'all will see. I look at shoes all day long and clothes all day long. So the inspiration for things are there. Not necessarily it look like it or it is, but the inspiration for it is there. So let's get into these. I'm telling y'all, these might get wore more than my cream ones, just because they all black and I'm a sucker for all black. So let's get into these. This is the Crazy Infinities. I want to say 3.5 or 2.5, I think it is. So let's get into these. I think they real cold. Once again, I said I got these from Extra Butter, New York. They ran a good 160. With shipping, it was 175. So you can't go wrong with that. Let's get into these. I think these are packaged quite well versus the other ones. Bam, yeah, let's take both of them out. They all black. I'm telling y'all, these about to get run. It's that season too. These about to get run. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Tell me what y'all think of these. Look, these are crazy comfortable, and that was the reason I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the black one. They say Adidas basketball, but in all honesty, I don't think they meant for basketball. I think that it's an everyday wear, and like I said that before. I think with the black, you get the more of the three stripe because you don't see that on the other one. And hey, the materials are different. The materials are different. On the outside, this material is shiny. Uh, More of a it looked 3D printed. I ain't gonna hold you up. It honestly looked 3D printed when I show y'all close-ups of this, but it looked real 3D printed. You see? I don't know if y'all can hear that. That just looked real 3D printed to me. Yeah, you got the mesh at the top, same thing. As the other ones, man, look, I swear I think they took the comfort from the Yeezys and started putting them in shoes and the boost and all that good stuff. I'm not sure if this shoe has boost in it. It doesn't say, but the comfort level is there. This is just the all black version, man. All black version. Y'all let me know what y'all think of them. Me personally, think they're cold. Like I said, they very comfortable to wear. I'm not sure on this one here. It's just a lot of glue. You see a lot of glue, and that's sometimes with black shoes, but that's the quality. It's not the same quality as they did with the other ones. It's not. It's not. It's not at all. It's not at all. It's not. Wow, this quality is horrible. Like you see all the glue markups on it. All the glue markups on it. Like I shouldn't see every last spot where y'all glued on them. Like that's crazy. Like wow, was y'all in a rush to get these out? What happened? Like what happened, dude? I don't know. I'm gonna give y'all some close-up shots of these. Like I said, this ain't gonna be a long video because I don't want to hold y'all up on these because I already did a video on them. I just really want to get these out to y'all. Yeah. So let me go get the other ones so we can compare them. So as y'all can see, they are getting wear, but I wanted to get the quality on these because in all honesty, you see the glue on these, but not as much as on that black pair. And I don't know if that's because they black. You see it. Personally, I like these better than the all black, but these all black are going to get some wear. I kid you not, they're going to get wear. So y'all let me know which one y'all rocking with. I know a lot of people gonna go just all black, but me personally, just takes the cake. It's all black gonna get wear because it's all black, and you could just do all black. But this, you got to put some shit on with this. Like low key, you really got to put some shit on with this. And you got YKK on the zipper. So, other than that, like I said, if y'all digging these, if y'all like these, man, do me a favor, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Hit that like, leave a comment, and subscribe to be okay. And let me know what y'all think of these, man, in the comments. Is these better than the other ones? Are they better? Which one y'all going with? Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me which one y'all going with. Tell me. I don't know. I'm going with this one. Y'all tell me. Anyways, this your boy, Blacked Out Kickz, coming to you with another video. Do me a favor. Be blessed, stay blessed, and always, always find a way to get your blessings. And hey, let your haters look in your past while you continue to look forward. Yo, hey, yo, we out.